Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a accessory tool kit. So basically for this kit they give you guys a bunch of these heads that you can use for different situations. And when you guys do purchase this kit, it's perfect for you guys to use it for the impact driver from this brand right here. And for this set right here, you can see they do provide guys 45 pieces. And see for the bottom part right here, they do provide guys some specs and features on here. So they do mention the way how to design it definitely gives you guys a better precision. If you guys turn the back part right here, they do provide guys information in terms of what is actually included. But when you guys look at the inside right here, they also label as well. So that way you know which one you're using. And we see for the product, they also give you guys a case as well. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So the first time getting the product, you probably want to use a scissor to actually cut it open. And obviously you do want to be careful when you guys do cut it open because it is pretty sharp. So once you guys cut it open, you guys want to take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here, it does come with 45 pieces. They do have this available in a smaller or bigger pack, depending on how many you need and which one you do need. But I do feel like for the 45 pack one should be enough. And you see right here, they basically provide guys all the basic head that you need. They even have this extender option right here to make it longer for hard to reach places. And then for the other side right here, like I mentioned, we do have the case option. So we have to close it back up. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys do close it up, if you guys close right here, now it's basically all locked. So that way everything is all secure when you guys do put it inside. And we see for the side right here and right here, they do have the little slot. So that way if you guys want to tie a string or lanyard or something, or put a strap option, you do have the option available. But once you guys are ready to use it, you basically open back up. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. And I do want to mention the way how to design each one of these sections right here. They do have this option for you to pull it out really easy like this. So that way you can get easy access for each different tool. And once you have it done, you have to push back in. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now I'll take out one of these to test it out to show you guys how it works. So I want to take out the extender option to show you guys how that works. So I do pull it out. If you guys take this one out, push back in. And we'll take one of these heads right here on top. And push back in. So what I'm going to do is put it inside right here. And see how when you guys do put it inside, it has a very strong magnet to hold it in place. And then right here, you see we do have the impact driver. And this one from the same exact brand. And the way how you guys lock it is actually very simple. You basically put it in like this and just push this part up and push it in, and that will basically lock it in. So now you guys can start using it. And when I turn on this part right here, you guys want to make sure to push it in the right way. One side for forward and the other one reverse. And you see how it does come out. So I just want to put it back in. That is basically how you guys do use it. And you see it definitely does work. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. And I love the fact that how they do have an LED light on here, so that way I can see where they're using it. And you guys can see how it does turn up by itself. And once you guys are done using it, you guys want to pull this part out and pull it out really easily. And that is basically how you guys do use this option right here. And obviously once you are done, you can put it back inside the case. So right here and right here. And it's all set. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality impact driver kit that basically provides guys all these different options on here. Or if you guys want more or less, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.